Good morning students, I am your physics teacher Zishan Hassan, and now we will discuss the topic simple harmonic motion. And we have an example of simple harmonic motion is motion of a mass attached with a spring. Students, you can see that here a mass is attached with a spring. At this position, no force acting on this mass. It means mass is at its mean position. Mean position is that where the mass is in its rest position and no force acting on it. When we exert some force on the mass, it moves to the position B according to the Hooke's law, where force is directly proportional to the displacement. Means when you are applying the force, the mass covers some distance, some displacement. At point B, the mass restores energy. That is known as the restoring energy, restoring force. When we release the mass from the position, it will start moving toward the mean position and quickly moves to the position B due to the restoring force. But at mean, the motion of the mass is very fast at mean position, at the mean position. But as it start moving toward the position B, its motion is its velocity becomes reduced due to the friction or some another effects. This phenomena can be illustrated by with the help of the Hooke's law, where F is the force that is equal to the K multiplied by X, where K is the spring constant. Where K is the spring constant. The negative sign in the law in this equation shows that the force exerted by the spring is always directed opposite to the displacement of the mass. Means that the negative sign shows the force exerted by the spring is always directed opposite to the displacement of the mass. Students, now we will discuss its motion with respect to the force. At mean position there is no force, but when we applied some force, it moves to the point B where it restores the restoring force, and when we release it, it will start to move towards the position of mean position at the highest velocity at the mean position, and then it will move toward the position B. This to and fro motion carry on until the friction reduces the energy and the mass stops at its mean position. And this to and fro motion of a mass about a fixed point is known as the simple harmonic motion. And in this example, we demonstrate the motion of a mass attached with a spring is a simple harmonic motion. Okay student, this is a second example of a simple harmonic motion is ball and ball. Here you can see that here is a ball that is a curved shape. It is its mean position, and A and B its extreme positions. We know that that ball has some mass. That ball has mass, and W is equal to mg, where the g is acts the downward, where the g of this ball acts downward. It shows that whenever we move the ball whether at position A or whether at a position B, it will moves towards its mean position of the ball. For example, we move that ball to the position A. We want them to move at the position A, and where it restores the energy. What this is that is maybe it's a potential energy. The energy due to its position is a potential energy. At this point, it has the highest potential energy, and at point A, its velocity becomes 0. Its velocity at position A becomes 0. But when we release from the position A, it starts to move towards the mean position. At the mean position, it has the highest velocity, it's at the velocity maximum, and it start moves toward the position, B, and again at the position B its velocity is minimum velocity, or approximately 0, velocity is 0, and again this ball starts moving toward the mean position and then quickly moves toward the A position, and this motion of the ball to and fro motion about a fixed point of this ball motion continue until the energy of ball becomes 0. So this is another example of the simple harmonic motion. Dear students, this is another example of a simple harmonic motion. Simple pendulum is also an example of simple harmonic motion. Sir, where in the simple pendulum we have a ball attached with a string, where L is the length of that ball, L is the length of the string, and M is the mass of ball attached to the string. When we applied nothing any force at the ball is main as its a mean position, and when we exert some force on the ball and move it to the position A, when we move it to the position A, and where you can see that it has the two components of forces, that one along the direction of mg cos theta and another is the mg sin theta, where mg cos theta is cancelled out with the tension in the string, the tension that creates tension, that is represented by the capital T with the mg cos theta, means tension in string cancels out the mg cos theta component, but mg sin theta component acts as the restoring force. When we move it to the position A, a restoring force stored in the ball, but we release it, it will moves toward the mean position and will move to the position B due to the restoring force stored in the ball. At a mean position it has the highest velocity, but at the extreme position it has the lowest velocities or approaches to 0. This is also an example of a simple harmonic motion, because the ball continue to the motion, to and fro motion, until the energy of the ball becomes 0. This relation of the this all phenomena can be explained by the formula, where T is equal to 2 pi L over G, where L is the length of the string, G is the gravity, and T is the time period. Students, now we will discuss the different terms associated with the simple harmonic motion. For example, vibration. Vibration is a complete round trip of a vibrating body about its mean position is called vibration. For example, when this ball moves to the position A and then moves to the position B and it moves back to the position A, and this is a complete one round trip and it is termed as vibration. and another term is a time period, and the time taken by the one vibration by the ball to complete one vibration is time period. Means the time taken by the ball to complete one vibration is termed as the time period. And another term is a frequency. Frequency, the number of vibrations per cycle of a vibrating body in 1 second is called its frequency, and the reciprocal of the time period is also termed as the frequency. Means where reciprocal of the time period, frequency also termed as the reciprocal of the time period, and this we will explain in another video. Okay, dear students, and there are some important features of simple harmonic motion are summarized as: the first point is a body executes simple harmonic motion always directed towards the mean position, as we see in the previous examples. And the second point is its acceleration is always directed toward the mean position. And the third point is the magnitude of the acceleration is always directly proportional to its displacement from the mean position, that is acceleration will be the 0 at mean position while it will be the maximum at the extreme positions. And the fourth one point is this: its velocity is maximum at mean position and 0 on the extreme positions. Thank you.